to the PowerPoint. Now we're going to talk about muscle. So all muscle does is contract. Your heartbeat depends upon contraction and relaxation. Your skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle depends upon movement to move bones to which it is attached. Your heartbeat, again, is your means to move blood around the body by contracting and relaxing. And smooth muscle is found around blood vessels and throughout your digestive tract to allow movement for digestion and mixing of food. So skeletal muscle tissue, it's also called voluntary muscle tissue. If we look at the characteristics, it has long fibers that can contract. We'll talk about striations in a moment. It's controlled by the voluntary nervous system, and it moves and stabilizes the skeleton. So if we look at skeletal muscle tissue, it's long fibers, and because of the structure of the proteins, there are stripes or striation. It's multinucleate, and all it is long, specialized fibers that can contract and relax. Cardiac muscle is only in the heart. It has a single nuclei, short branch fibers, striated. It's involuntary contraction, and its job is to pump the blood around the body and to maintain blood pressure. So if you look at the branched cardiac tissue, it contains nuclei, usually one per branch fiber. These intercalated discs are gap junctions so that electrical current can flow very rapidly from cell to cell so that the heart can beat from top to bottom and pump blood efficiently around the body. It also has striations, stripes that go across the fibers. Smooth muscle is very short little cells that have a nucleus. They're found in blood vessels, urinary bladder, digestive organs, and the uterus. They have no striations, and they're controlled involuntarily. You don't have to think about blood vessels constricting or dilating. Your bladder has some nervous control, but it's basically does its thing on its own. Your digestive organs work on their own involuntarily, and the uterus does its job when needed. So smooth tissues are these individual cells with an elongated nucleus that are packed together in layers, and their contraction is controlled by the autonomic nervous system for the most part. Okay, let's stop that muscle. Let's do that again here. Go back to here. We'll put the muscles in a separate category and stop recording.